Okay, we have Trish here. We're working on the 90-degree pull out. It's a 5-foot gate into a left-handed turn of 6 foot wide, either to the left or to the right. She's just started working on this. You ready to try it? Let's do it. Dropped her bike. It's all about training. Those who are willing to do it. The bike's protected. She's able to come out here and train and learn advanced skills that most people would love to have, but very few do. A little bit of practice and know-how, and no fear of dropping the motorcycle. With a custom part that you can practice anytime and anywhere. MotorcycleDriveGuards.com. Thanks for watching.